They're bringing up a table right now because one of the ways that you guys have been giving is, well, y'all been giving your regular tithes and offerings, and for that I want to say thank you. You've noticed on the little QR code right in front of you that many of y'all have been helping us. We're trying to buy a new air conditioner for this building, and we have had so much response that people have been given. I think we only lack about $7,500, and we can do this. We can knock this out, and so many of y'all have been a part of that, so we want to encourage you to continue to be a part of that. One of the things that has happened, I'm going to ask Miss Rachel and Brother Tank to come on up here. If you don't know my staff, this is my staff, and they are absolutely incredible. One of the things that we have been doing, if you haven't been watching online, we've been making some of these unboxing videos that as people send in items for our Eggstravaganza, you got a little QR code on your pamphlet on your way in that you can scan for that. But folks have been sending stuff in all 2 weeks, for the past 2 weeks. And we said, you know what, how about we just open some of these things? We have had folks, I'm not kidding, from all over the country send us different things. Past church members who have moved off, some that are in North Carolina or Virginia. I mean, they're sending us things. And so they've been watching us open some stuff. And so as we had a few of our items come in this week, I said, you know what, wouldn't it be fun if we just took the things that came in like on Thursday and Friday, and how about we just saved them till Sunday morning? We have no idea what's in these boxes, but know this, we've got our Eggstravaganza. It's coming up on April the 1st from 11 to 1. And so we've said, you know what, we could really do this thing cheap if everybody would kind of, chip in. And so I want to thank y'all ahead of time of what y'all have already given. Look, you got your little knife. Man, you shouldn't bring a knife. Oh my gosh. But we're going to have a great time together. So what we're going to do together this morning is we're going to open a few things. We got our little video camera right here so we can have some unboxing videos. So we have no idea what's been in these, but everyone has been a part of this, of giving. We've got some bigger boxes. This one, yours says heavy. That's
My
why
name tag fell off.
That's why I gave it to you, because your nickname is Tank. So we got this. Look what I got. Look, I've got a box full of candy. So this one, look at this. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I've got 7 bags of candy for egg stuffing. Isn't that fun?
I've got 1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh my goodness.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
He got 12. Oh my goodness. Give him a big round of applause for that. All right, Rachel, what you got?
Some Easter eggs.
She's got Easter eggs, and you got some string. What's in those little ones right there? What'd you have? Y'all open those up so everybody can see. See, isn't this fun? We don't know. It's like Christmas, but not, Golden eggs. All right. So we have some fun with that.
The glow in the dark, the body paint.
Oh, okay.
Face painting.
So we'll be doing face painting. It's going to be a lot of fun. So we're going to do face painting, but not just normal face painting. We're going to do it where it glows.
It'll glow. It's going to be so awesome.
It's been so great. We've had some folks send us some black lights. It's going to be a lot of fun. I'll tell you a little bit more about it as the kids are going out today. But I just wanted to do this as something fun I want you to know we have a lot of fun here at Memorial. We're going to have a lot of fun on our Easter Eggstravaganza. We've been talking about putting out some bounce houses and having hot dogs and nachos. We want it to be a great family event. And I just want you to be able to say, hey, that looks like a lot of fun. I want to be a part of that. And I want to invite my neighbor. I want to invite that other student that's at my school. We want you to invite people because we want this to be their home. We want God to make a difference in their life. This stuff is just a means to an end so that we can share the love of Jesus Christ with them.